Hey guys, I never brought you guys an updated bike check of my BMX because obviously with moving into my new home and stuff. So yeah, let's get this guy started, guys. Really, a lot of stuff is the same from the Madman. You have the ODI grips, long necks. They're not very long though. I'd like them to be a little bit longer, but you got the Lifestyle BMX chromoly handlebars with Goku plushie. You have Madman front load stem, works like it. And then you got the Beast, you got the polar frame, chromoly, Senko tubing with just some high tensile steel. Madman forks, going to be getting titanium forks soon. Update on that. Same 3-piece cranks, chromoly, Source BMX. It's basically at the same wheels that are stock from the Madman. Front is a Lagos crawler tire, back is a Mongoose dirt tire, and a Mafia bike seat. That's basically the setup, guys. So I got a lot of videos coming since I just moved into my new house. So yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.